out of the sky. I could be wrong though, I don't know. Weather here on the backlot has a tradition of kind of just changing on it. Did you guys just hear that? Okay, folks, it does sound like a thunderstorm is rolling in. As long as it doesn't start to rain here, we should be nice and safe in our old Mexico sets. We're in trouble. Now this is how we create rain in the movies. We pipe the water straight up into the air. We let it fall down naturally. But a lot of times it's kind of hard for the camera to see the water, so we add milk into the mixture. So you might say that Gene Kelly was singing in the milk. All right, Walter's our water guy here. Walter, cut the water. They get it. Walter. Okay, folks, I'm going to hit the emergency off button or else we're going to have a big problem. I hit the wrong button. Oh, no. It's a flash flood. Look out. Now this effect is created by dumping thousands and thousands of gallons of water from the top of the hill and letting it rush towards us naturally. But I don't want anyone to worry because all the water that you see here, it's all going to be recycled into the park's drinking fountains. So stay hydrated today. Here it is in a big fat large starring Frankie Muniz, Amanda Bynes, and Paul Giamatti. Down to one of the oldest streets here on the backlot. Welcome to 6 Points, Texas. Donnie Murphy, Duke Gibson, Jimmy Stewart, and the Duke himself, John Wayne, almost up and down these main streets and stuff there playing in Western movie history. Yeehaw! Tell me.
For the both of us, Jimmy Fallon.
Well, I ain't going anywhere, Jimmy Fallon.
Now look here. Nice folks in this tram don't want no trouble. They just want to check out 6 Points, one of the oldest sets on the Universal lot.
I heard this is where John Wayne and Jimmy Stewart shot a few of their westerns.
That's right. That's where I aim to shoot.